guys, in my many days of geocaching, I have found many large things. I've found the world's largest ball of twine. I've found the world's largest hockey stick, the world's largest pheasant. Why, I even found the Jolly Green Giant. I'm back in Cincinnati, Ohio. This is the place of North America's very first Giga event, an event that has over 5,000 will attends. This might be the largest geocaching event in history. There are tons of people waiting to get inside right now. We're at Coney Island Amusement Park. I can't think of a better place to experience this awesome day. Guys, look at the group picture is happening right behind me. I had to get way far back. You can't even see the Geowoodstock sign. There are so many people here, thousands and thousands of people. This is certainly the biggest event I've ever been to, and it is the biggest event in the United States ever. All right, guys, this is super exciting. This year we have a very special booth. It's the booth for the Geocaching Network. Several of the geocaching video creators are all there. Our booth is very popular. There is a Plinko board for people to enjoy, and not only that, but we have a lab cache. Our booth is actually a lab cache too. How cool is that? This is the lab cache. It's the Geocaching Vlogger lab cache. Look at these people are all watching it intently. They're trying to find out what the find code is. This is Jeff. Hey. Chasing the Iron Man. At the event here, the Giga, there's a lab cache unlike I've ever seen before.
It's awesome.
It's like augmented reality.
It's crazy.
You put up your phone up to like a weird picture.
Yeah, a little marker.
And something pops up and gives you the find code. I'm here with Buckeye Cacher 111. He is a patron. He watches our videos. How you doing?
Good.
He has a trackable that wants to be discovered on YouTube. You guys, you get to discover it right now. Here it is. Press pause now. All right, awesome. Oh my gosh, hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
What's your name?
Sierra.
Hi, Sierra. Where are you from?
California.
Cal, you had to think about it for a little while? Well, I'm so glad to meet you. I assume you watch my videos.
Yeah.
That's why you're giggling. I like you. You're happy and you're giggling, and you have a great attitude. That's awesome. Are you enjoying Geowoodstock?
Yes.
Awesome.
Definitely.
Awesome. We're meeting so many people.
So many.
So many. Look at this guy.
2018.
It's here. It's here. What is your name?
Ryclops 11.
You were telling me something earlier, and it touched me. It touched my heart. What were you saying before?
No, it's just, you know, about how your videos, when you need something to just pick you up.
Yeah.
It's really fun, you know, nice to just get that pick me up, the positive energy, you know, get you outdoors, get you caching. I'm sure I'm not the only one, you know. I'm sure all the viewers out there appreciate it.
Thank you, man.
Of course.
You're awesome. Look at, it's a fam of 5. That's actually their geocaching name. How you doing, sir?
Fam of 5W.
There it is. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
They have something that they wanted to show me, and I'm not exactly sure what it is.
You talked about giving back.
Yes.
We want to give back.
Oh my gosh.
We watch your videos all the time, in the car, at the dinner table, all the time.
I love it.
I made you an ammo can Bluetooth speaker.
What? Are you kidding me? Holy cow, you guys, does it actually work?
It actually works.
It actually works.
We're gonna hook it up to your phone right now.
I can play music through an ammo can.
You could play your YouTube videos on here so everyone can hear them and watch them on your phone.
Oh my gosh. That is like one of the coolest gifts I've ever received. All right, look at it, it even has my logo on it. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna hide this. I'm not. This is good. This is going in my office for sure. Oh, it's working. Hold on. You can do anything but lay off of my blue suede shoes. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Can I get a yes? Yes, yes. That is so awesome. Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you for giving back. That is so cool. Oh, so many cool things to do here at Geowoodstock. That you can get your picture, guys, and they print it out for you, and it's a lot of fun. at Geowoodstock. The die-hard geocachers are here, and here is one right here. Hello, what is your name?
Hi, I'm one crazy chick, Sandy.
You are one crazy chick because yesterday what happened to you?
I slipped and broke my ankle and sprained both my wrists.
Oh, I'm so sorry. She's injured. Look at, she's in a cart. There it is. But you're here.
I'm here.
You're still here.
I'm still here.
The amazing thing is that your broken foot is trackable.
It's now trackable.
It's trackable.
The first ever trackable cast.
Hi Josh, hey, I got something for you.
What do you got? What do you
Last
got?
time you were on the video, you were talking about these wonderful painted rocks with
I
your
know.
onesie buddy. You know?
Right.
And I'm like, well, guess what? I got one
Oh,
for you.
yes.
Hashtag NKY Rocks. My sister does the
Awesome.
painted rocks in Northern Kentucky. And I was carrying about 45 pounds of rocks all day and finally got rid of them all, but I saved one for you.
It's so cool. Thank you so much.
You know, you talk about something, you never know when it's going to show back up.
I know, right?
Isn't that cool?
That's very nice. Thank you. Look at, I found, what are you? You're the trackable lady?
The trackable woman, Mackenzie Benz, yeah.
The trackable woman. How many trackables do you have on your person right now?
Over 400.
400? And you just gave me a card and I have the ability to discover every single one of them.
Yes, you do.
That's awesome. I'm sure you got a lot of pictures taken today.
Oh my gosh, more than usual. Yeah, it was pretty big today.
Very popular. Awesome. That is amazing. Thanks for sharing.
Not a problem.
Awesome. I'm gonna log these. All right, Geowoodstock is almost over, and I tell you, this place was taken by storm. Literally, the event is ending with a little rain and a little storm. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this adventure. So much going on, so many awesome people. It was a lot of fun. So thanks for coming along with me. If this is the first time watching my videos, click the subscribe button right there. If you don't want to miss anything as we bring joy to the world, one Giga event at a time. Thanks for watching.